2020 Range Rover Vogue secured with a Starline Pro Immobiliser by us at Immobiliser Fit. So the thief got the key, done a relay attack, drilled a hole in the boot, got in and started it. As soon as they put it in gear, you're going to see it cut out and they're going to be unable to drive it away. Car's cut out. So what the customer can do, which is the easiest way to use this, is just have the Bluetooth on their phone, have it in their pocket, get in and start. It disarms through the phone and they can drive away, select their gear and the car remains running. Obviously there's times where the phone goes flat and they're going to be unable to just use their phone to simply disarm. So in these cases they can use their code. So we'll just start it up. 1, 2, 3 we have for now, just nice and simple for this video. We hear a disarm tone and we can select our gear and drive away. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll do is they first turn the ignition on, disarm the system. As you can hear, it's been within 10 seconds, it's automatically disarmed. Then they'll press one of the buttons 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off and back on. We're going to get 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3. This can be a minimum 3 presses, maximum 21, and can be a combination of multiple buttons, totally up to the customer. Once we put our code in, we'll get a double bleep confirmation. We'll just repeat it again. 1, 2, 3. We'll get a double bleep second confirmation. And that's the code learned. Now we can turn the car off. So next time the customer gets in the vehicle after it's set, if their phone's not here, they're going to have to use the code. So they'll start the car. As you can see, we've changed it. So 1, 2, 3. Hear our disarm tone, select our gear, and we can drive away. If this is going back to Range Rover, needs to be serviced, what they'll do, turn their Bluetooth on their phone. To put this into service mode, it's really simple. Have your phone in here. Green means your vehicle's protected. If we press and hold till it goes yellow and let go, it turns the whole system off, puts it into what's known as service mode or valet mode. We get 2 bleeps, and now this is a normal vehicle. So when it goes back to Range Rover, they need to move around their workshop, just simply give them the key. You don't need to stress about handing over your unique code, leaving your phone in the vehicle. It's just totally a normal car until you get it back. When you do, to turn the system back on, you press and hold till it goes green. When you let go, you get 2 bleeps. And it stays green. That means the system's active, your vehicle's secure, and if your phone's not here and you don't put your code in, the vehicle's going to switch off. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2020 Range Rover Vogue with a Starline Pro. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.